Oh man, is it time to go all in Bitcoin? Bouncing from a very important level. My latest trade has just made me over $10,000. I'm going to share with you exactly how I'm trading this market, what I'm currently doing, and whether I'm bullish or bearish. Smash some likes. Don't forget to subscribe if you appreciate these updates, even on a weekend. Guys, you can see here Bitcoin bouncing very nicely here, trying to form this bottom here, moving nicely yesterday, up 4.7%, a very powerful move here. And if you look here on the 4-hourly chart, you can see it managed to hold the support around 39,000, break back above 40,000, and now sitting on the support at 41.7. You can see here Bitcoin trying, after initially breaking through it, to hold and bounce before mounting an attack at 43,000. Are we finally out of the woods, and can we expect higher price targets? I'm going to break down exactly what I'm seeing now. Guys, if you want to trade with us, ijazcrypto.com/TG. That's our free Telegram channel. Make sure you're in there, guys. The latest trade I shared was this one here on storage. Beautiful move here, up 15%, breaking through my first take profit, now moving very close towards my second take profit. A very nice break of a descending channel. Textbook TA, right? But this is so easy when you're serious about trading. When you're serious about learning how to trade, and you're not just talking like, oh, I want to trade. Like everybody says that. You're a gambler. If you're actually trading, you take the time to learn. You take the time to learn the TA patterns. You put in your take profits. You put in your stop losses. You analyze your mistakes, because you don't get trades right all the time, right? I've had a tremendous October, November, December. January is still in the green, despite me hitting a couple of stop losses when the market was dumping. Why? Because I analyze my trades. I analyze what's going on in the market. How can I improve? What did I do wrong? When a stop loss is there, I respect it. I don't change my mind. I don't get emotional and start moving my stop losses around. I don't move my take profits around. If you guys are serious about making money in crypto, you've got to treat it like a professional, because I've been making videos every single day and I've seen all types of people come and go. And the biggest trend you see is the ones that never hit profitability and lose the most money are those which do not treat it like a professional. They're kind of in and they're out. They kind of do it half-heartedly. They're kind of disciplined, but not really disciplined. They take a couple trades here, then they quit and give up. The ones who are truly going to make it are the ones who have a plan, just like anything in life, right? You decide you're going to become a trader and you journal every single one of your trades. You see what you do right, what you do wrong. You learn from professionals. You try to learn from trades like mine to see, okay, what does he do? How can I replicate that? How does he minimize his loss to the downside? What kind of risk to reward does he do? People who ask those types of questions, they're going to make it. And I can see which type of person is going to make it in trading. Because guess what? It's not for everybody. Most people, like any profession, quit, right? And that's the reason why people never achieve their financial dreams. They just quit. They don't treat it like a professional, and they don't actually give it the effort it requires. If you guys are in crypto, if you want to trade crypto, please treat it with the respect it deserves. Learn, be a student of the game, and you too can start making money from the charts. You can all do it. It's just you got to be disciplined enough. So we can see here Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart managing to be nice and strong, right? Nice and above its EMA ribbon, looking for the EMA ribbon to now flip. Can you see the lighter colored lines here trying to get back above the darker colored lines? That'd be really good for us on the 4-hourly. But if you head up to the daily chart, this is where I need you guys to exercise a little bit of caution, right? If you look at this EMA ribbon here, what do you notice? Yesterday's huge candle ran us into our EMA ribbon. Big recovery here, moved us into the EMA ribbon, but the EMA ribbon is still resistance. Please, let's not get too super excited until we close the daily EMA ribbon above 42.1. If I see that, remember, yesterday we actually wicked as high as 42.2, but look at how the bears stepped in and wicked us back to the downside. We closed still in the EMA ribbon. We didn't close above the EMA ribbon yesterday. So you have to give respect to the bears right now here on the daily chart. We have not managed to flip the trend. Now, of course, now we've got weekend volume. Saturday and Sunday is low volume trading, so you've got to be very careful if you're trading. But can we close above it? Either today, tomorrow, Monday, can we push up and get a close above this daily EMA ribbon? We're not far from it. Like I said, 42.1, 42.15, around this level here where my cursor is. Let's get a close above that EMA ribbon. If we can, now the bulls have reclaimed that daily EMA ribbon. And that would be amazing because we didn't spend much time below it. Now, if we don't, what we need to be worried about is this. We don't want to see this now, okay? Because the bears have taken a little bit of a cooling off. They did a good job. Think about it, right? The bears managed to take us from 48.8 and push us all the way down here to 38. They wiped off $10,000 in Bitcoin. So this could just be them cooling off before the next leg here to the downside. So let's not get caught up in the emotions. We can trade these moments. But remember, you're still trading against the trend, right? This was a positive period here, but now the bears might want to step in. So I'm going to step off the break. I want to take a look to see, okay, do the bears come in or are the bulls strong, and can we reclaim this level? If we can reclaim this level, great. We can have another leg to the upside, mount another attack towards 45, and eventually maybe up towards 48, 49, and work our way upwards, right? That's what we want to see. But until it happens, it's not happened, right? We gotta respect that daily EMA ribbon. Now, if we switch it up to the weekly, now you start to see something else. It's been a crazy couple of weeks. Look at the wicks on these candles. Crazy, choppy, volatile couple of weeks. But guess who benefits from that? Traders. If you know how to trade the market like I've just showed you, this is beautiful. These wicks in Bitcoin, in spot, allow us to take really good spot trades. You guys know I don't take any leverage trades. You guys know I don't short the market. I just use the volatility in the forwards direction, long, and I want to take good spot trades. And when Bitcoin's doing this kind of volatility, you know altcoins are going to go crazy as well. That's going to give you those 7, 8, 9, 10% days you need to make a decent return on your daily swing trades, okay? Because that's one of the mistakes I see a lot of people doing. They're trading Bitcoin on an hourly chart or 2 hourly chart spot, right? If you're trading Bitcoin spot on an hourly, 2 hourly chart, you're going to get like 0.5% moves. It's too small unless you're trading with a really big account, right? So you want to go into like decent sized altcoins, not the poop coins, right? They're going to get you wrecked, but decent small mid-sized coins that can give you that 7, 8% on your swing trades. That's how you can build your account meaningfully over time. So when I look at this here, we came down, and we've not really touched our EMA ribbon, right? If you look at this week, we wicked down, we did come close, 38.8, but the EMA ribbon starts at 37.5. So this is a calling off, yes, but not a huge calling off. So even if Bitcoin, like I said, did want to come deeper, if it does want to come into the EMA ribbon, if it does want to test 35, even down to the 34s, I'll be nibbling. I would love to get an opportunity to nibble in some of these areas, but maybe we won't get it. If Bitcoin can reclaim the daily EMA ribbon and have another strong week this week, maybe that was it. Maybe that was the fear. Maybe that was the post-ETF anti-climax and the sell the news event. And now we're ready to head to the upside. So all things are now starting to line up. Remember, yesterday I covered off the fact that you had a really good PCE inflation figure. The inflation figure is coming down. Markets are now still not even fearful, back in the greed territory. Momentarily, it went to like 49, which was neutral still. It never went to fear. In all that dumping, when Grayscale was dumping and all that, there wasn't a full pullback. We didn't get a crazy pullback in the markets here. Markets kind of just took it on the chin because this market knows inflation's improving. We should be getting interest rates cut soon. Right? You can see that BlackRock here, their Bitcoin ETF reached $2 billion in asset under management already. It's the first ETF to do so. Now, next is probably going to be the other ones. You can see here, it says here, investors added 170 million to IBIT on Thursday, with the fund purchasing nearly another 4.3 thousand Bitcoin. Okay, crazy, showing how much money is now flowing into crypto. Now with over $2 billion in asset under management, the fund ranks third in asset gathering among all of more than 600 ETFs that launched in the past year. Okay, third in all the ETFs that launched. It's crazy how much we're seeing. The next fund to cross the $2 billion mark is likely to be Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, FBTC, which holds just shy of 44,000 Bitcoin. So look, once all this kind of fear-mongering calms down, what did I always say? Long term, this is huge for Bitcoin. Real money is going to come into Bitcoin. But it takes real money a little bit of time to maneuver and get into the market, right? It's not like it's easy. It's not like you and I with a little bit of money that we can throw into the market and just make a bank transfer. This is big institutional money. This is big high net worth individual clients. They take their time. They have to discuss with their asset manager, and they have to position, make moves. It takes time before those billions start to come in. But they're coming in, and they're coming in thick and fast. It's going to be a really powerful 2024, and I'm really excited to be trading and investing throughout this period in the crypto market. So let me know, guys, how are you feeling about this crypto market? Are you feeling bullish? Are you feeling bearish? Are you DCAing? Are you trading? I hope to see as many of you as possible in our Telegram community. It's completely free, and you're going to learn a bunch of stuff around how I trade the markets, how I pick my altcoins, what trade patterns I'm doing, and so much more. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.